We will talk about the soft G. When there's an I or an E after a G, it changes the sound from
G
to
J.
an I or an E after a G changes the
G
to.
J.
The G and E make a
J.
sound when they are together, as in giant, huge, age. Good. Listen to the story. The gentle giant is huge. Some people are scared because he is so huge. They want to put him in a cage. But the gentle giant is gentle, not mean. He should not be in a cage. Jean knows the gentle giant. Jean knows that the giant is huge, but not mean. Jean is not scared. Jean will not let them put the gentle giant in a cage. The gentle giant is Jean's friend. What does this say?
J.
Good. Now can you tell me a word that starts with this sound?